So before installing wallpaper, I added painter's tape just because of this wallpaper glue. I partially removed it from here, so that way I don't have to clean the wallpaper glue from the wall and from the ceiling. It makes my life a bit easier. So basically it's going to be like these boards around the door, and then here, and baseboard as well. So for installing wallpaper, you need to have a glue. This is ready-made. It was in a can, and I'm using a roll as well. So some tools I use for installing wallpaper. It's this plastic spatula. So I'm using it to get rid of excess glue behind the wallpaper and some air bubbles as well. So I'm really flattening the wallpaper with this. And I'm using this plastering tool or plastering trowel together with this utility knife just to cut, for example, around or near the ceiling. I'm pushing it against the wallpaper, and then I'm using it as a guideline to cut the wallpaper, and this also holds the wallpaper in place. So you of course have to have like really good blade for cutting the wallpaper, and you can like break it, so you have like a sharper end in your knife. And I have clean water in a bucket, and clean sponge as well to get rid of like some wallpaper glue. So you need to know some information before installing wallpaper. For example, what kind of wallpaper it is, like the material. Is it paper or vinyl or something in between? And you usually have this info paper. So there is some information for you. For example, here you can read that it's 53 centimeters wide, and the whole roll of wallpaper is 10.05 meters long. What else? You should apply glue on the wall, and this means that this wallpaper has a pattern and it is horizontal, like there is no offset. Otherwise there would be one arrow here and one above here, and you would have like centimeters. But in this case the pattern is like horizontal, so you don't have any offset. So let's pick a spot. It's difficult. Okay, here. So you can see this flower, and there is a line between two wallpaper pieces, and then the same flower continues here on the same level. But if you had like this similar mark, but one arrow was like up here, and there would be like some kind of measurements, then it would mean that your pattern is like this flower in here. On the next piece of wallpaper it would be like up there or down here. So the pattern would go like a zigzag. Like at the moment it's the same flower here, the same here, but otherwise it would be like this flower here, then it would be up here, then here, and it would be like that. So when you are cutting your wallpaper, it's necessary to know that. So I finished installing wallpaper, and now I'm going to do a little finishing carpentry. So next time going to install horizontal boards, and to get the correct measurements, I'm using my laser and laser tripod, so I can make the markings on the same level. So you can see that end over there. So I got it 15 degrees with my miter saw. I did the same with the next piece as well. And now, because then it's a better transition. So yeah. So I installed these horizontal boards. And now I'm in the process of installing baseboards. Hopefully you can see. So I did some cutting and now I need to attach them on the wall. Again, I'm using my nailer, 18 gauge brad nail, and yeah, and also I'm adding a bit of adhesive as well behind the baseboard. So I will now install these that I cut, and yeah, then I will do some more cutting.